Welcome back to English Nest Podcast, everyone. I'm so happy you're here in our cozy little nest today.
Hey, and today we're talking about a phrase that everyone uses way too much.
Yes, today's topic is I don't know. I mean, we all say it, right?
Oh, all the time. Like someone asks me a question and my brain just goes blank. And I just say, I don't know.
Exactly. But here's the thing. Native speakers actually say it in lots of different ways. It sounds more natural, more relaxed.
Right, so today we're sharing 7 ways to say, I don't know, without actually saying those exact words.
7. So grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's learn together.
Let's do it. Okay, Emma, number 1. What's an easy one to start with?
Well, the first one is super common. It's, I'm not sure.
Oh, I love that one. It's soft, it's polite, it's easy to say.
Exactly. Imagine someone asks you, what time does the meeting start? You can just say, I'm not sure. Let me check.
That's so natural. It sounds friendly, not like you're avoiding the question.
Right. It just means you're a little uncertain, not that you know nothing at all.
Good. Okay, number 2, my favorite actually. It's, I have no idea.
Oh, yes. This one is a bit stronger, right? It really means, I truly don't know.
Exactly. Like if my wife asks me, where did I put my keys? I just say, I have no idea.
That happens in my house every single day, honestly.
So remember, I have no idea shows real confusion. It's honest and a little dramatic sometimes.
Perfect for those moments. Okay, let's move to number 3. This one is very casual, very cool.
Ooh, is it beats me?
Yes! Beats me. It sounds fun, right? Like, why is the sky blue? Beats me.
I really like that one. It's short, casual, and friends use it all the time.
Exactly. Just remember it's casual, so save it for friends, not your boss.
Good point. You don't want to say beats me to your manager in a big meeting.
Definitely not. Okay, number 4 is a longer phrase, but it's really fun to say.
Oh, I know this one. Your guess is as good as mine.
Yes! It means, I don't know either, so we're both guessing together.
That's a great one for group conversations, like, why is the train late again? Your guess is as good as mine.
Exactly. It sounds a little funny too, like you're both confused together.
Right, it kind of connects you with the other person. You're not alone in not knowing.
Nice way to put it, Jack. Okay, let's slow down and practice these 4 together first.
Good idea. So we have, I'm not sure.
I have no idea.
Beats me.
And your guess is as good as mine.
Nice. 4 down, 3 to go. Let's keep going, Emma.
Okay, number 5 is more polite, more formal even. It's, I couldn't tell you.
Oh, that's interesting. It sounds a bit fancy, right?
A little bit, yes. You can use it at work or with people you don't know very well.
So if a customer asks, when will my order arrive? You can say, I couldn't tell you, but let me find out for you.
Exactly. It sounds professional, and it shows you actually care about helping them.
That's a really useful one for work situations. Okay, what's next?
Number 6 is short and simple. It's just no clue.
Oh, I say this all the time. Like, what's for dinner tonight? No clue.
So relatable. It's basically the short version of, I have no idea.
Right. Super casual, super quick. Perfect for texting friends, too.
Exactly. You could even just text, no clue, sorry. It's friendly and easy.
Okay, and now the last one, number 7. This one is my personal favorite.
Oh, tell everyone, what is it?
That's a good question.
Oh, I love that phrase. It's a little clever, isn't it?
Exactly. Because it gives you a moment to think, and it sounds smart at the same time.
So true. Like someone asks something tricky and you say, that's a good question. And then you actually think about it.
Right, and sometimes after that, you might still say, I'm not sure actually. It works really well together.
That's such a smart trick. I use that one in real conversations all the time, honestly.
Me too. Okay, I think we should quickly recap everything for our listeners.
Yes, let's do a nice, slow recap. So, number 1 was, I'm not sure.
Number 2, I have no idea.
Number 3, beats me.
Number 4, your guess is as good as mine.
Number 5, I couldn't tell you.
Number 6, no clue.
And number 7, that's a good question.
7 great phrases. And now you never have to say plain old, I don't know, again.
Well, unless you want to, of course. But now you have so many more choices.
Exactly. Try picking just one phrase today and use it in a real conversation.
That's a great tip. Small steps really do help you speak more naturally over time.
So true. Okay, that's it for today's episode here at English Nest Podcast.
If you enjoyed this, please give us a like and subscribe so you don't miss our next episode.
And tell us in the comments, which phrase are you going to try first? We'd love to know.
Thanks so much for listening with us today, and we'll see you next time in the nest.
Bye for now, everyone. Keep practicing and take care.